Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn smart ways to store and manage your files in the cloud. Want to secure your photos and access them from anywhere, anytime? In this tutorial, you'll learn the fastest and easiest way to upload photos to Google Drive. Step 1. Open Google Drive. Open your browser and go to Google Drive, then sign in to your Google account. Make sure you're logged in correctly so your uploads sync instantly to your storage. Step 2. Choose or create folder. Locate the folder where you want to store your photos for better organization, or click New. Folder to create a new folder and keep your files neatly arranged. Make sure to subscribe now so you never miss quick practical tech hacks for your daily workflow. Step 3. Start file upload. Click the New button again and select File Upload from the drop-down menu. This will open your computer's file explorer so you can choose your photos. Step 4. Select and upload photos. Navigate to your photos, select single or multiple files, then click Open. Your photos will instantly start uploading, and you'll see the progress at the bottom. Step 5. Access your photos anywhere. Once the upload is complete, your photos will appear inside your selected folder. You can now access, share, or download them anytime from any device. And that's how you can upload and store your photos safely on Google Drive in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more powerful and easy tech tutorials.